Okay, today we're going to do a demo of a Optima drill grinder. This is actually 120, 115 volts, just plugs right into your wall. Some of the older ones had a plug here, a pull-out knob. This one has a kind of a switch here that you put your elbow on there and you can, or your foot, whatever you want to use. I like my elbow or my hand. You have a web thinning and point splitting attachment, which is standard. The drill chuck holder is unique in that it goes through the center of this spindle and is clamped in place with a permanently fixed collet. The diameter of the drill chucks. The drill chucks, there's 3 different types. Let me just open this up for you. This machine comes with this cabinet, obviously, and the tooling that's in it. Now I have one of the chucks in the machine right now. So these are your collets. They're all going to be written down on the quotation, and they're written down here. Somebody wrote all the, they go from a certain range. Each one of these has a range. So what you got here is these chucks. This type of chuck here is like a Jacob's chuck. It'll clamp around a small drill, and then there's one that goes a little bit larger. You have 2 different sizes. When you go above the size of that, then is when you go to these collets, and they have short collets and they have long collets, depending on the length of your drills, and then you'd have to fill up the space, make up the space. These are fixed chucks. This is the one that would have the collets in it. That's what these bars you'll find in here for. Also, there's additional grinding wheels. This is a diamond wheel mounted on an aluminum. It's a diamond wheel. And this is another wheel. Some light bulbs. Pretty good to have. And then down here you have some brand new grinding wheels, some used grinding wheels, but all in all, pretty good to have. So we'll close this up. I'm not going to pretend that I know how to use this. I did read the book. You turn it on. You adjust the diamond by loosening the nut, turning the set screw, going down across the face of the wheel. There's actually 2 diamonds. But I think this is only a spare because you want to use that one. So the light is already on. And the idea of this is that you can release this arm and come down here and actually go in here and grind your drill. And there's different angles that can be set. And then you can come back here and go into this microscope and actually look at what you just did. Now it's hard for you to see this. We'll try to take a picture with the lights out. But you come in here and you can look at what you ground. I can see it right now, both sides of the drill, but I didn't actually grind it. And then there's other attachments that allow you to turn this thing on and do something. This is your web thinning. It comes on automatically when you go to just the right place. It's a pretty interesting machine. There's an adjustment here, micrometer adjustment here to raise and lower this web thinning and point splitting attachment. There you have it. That's the Optima drill grinder, and I hope that you understood all that. But thank you very much.